What do you say?
It's a police badge. So with that, you become a junior police officer.
Yes.
Okay? Put that on. Okay? It's just a sticker. You peel it off and stick it on.
Stick it on.
Yeah, just stick it on.
Now you're little
crooked,
officer. Little Officer Dazzling.
Like that, up and down.
There you go.
There, okay? Got it?
Thank you.
And now you're an official junior police officer.
Yes.
How old are you? 8? Are you going to get into the junior police academy, the PALs or anything? With the police
I
station?
know that there's one on they do it at the...
Every police station has one.
Oh, so this one has it
Yeah, everybody
also?
has one.
Oh,
Every station
okay.
has a PALs.
Okay.
I think it's police said it's for the kids.
Yeah,
But then when they get to 14,
14?
then I think they become a cadet.
A cadet, yeah,
That's what
yeah.
I said. But yeah, I think
I wanted to get my 13-year-old daughter into
Yeah,
that.
that
to
would
the
be
police
good.
academy.